Hey guys, this is Eleonora from essaydigital.com. Many international students asked me to discuss a literature review because this assignment is often the most daunting part of writing an article, book, thesis, or dissertation. The literature seems, and often is, massive. Come on guys, climb out of the book rubble and join essaydigital.com. Today, the difficulty of writing a literature review will become a myth for you. Our academic editors have gathered the main secrets of completing this task quickly and easily. Let's start. What is a literature review? Literature reviews are the collection of the most relevant and significant publications regarding the topic in order to provide a comprehensive look at what has been said on the topic and by whom. The process of scanning literature in your area allows you to identify overlooked or understudied topics in your research field and find out scholarships that support your arguments. What is the difference between a literature review and an annotated bibliography? An annotated bibliography is a list of your references with a summary of the content. Important, an annotated bibliography demonstrates the relationship of the publication to your research question. On the other hand, a literature review is an overview of all the existing academic publications on a specific topic. An annotated bibliography is local, while a literature review is global. It's always easy to memorize with essaydigital.com. Our academic writing team has checked thousands of college and university projects, and we have found the following typical mistakes while writing a literature review. It is not a descriptive list. It is not a book-by-book and article-by-article summary. It is not a survey or every single thing that's ever been written about your topic. It must be defined by a guiding concept. Now, are you ready to hear the most powerful online guide on writing a literature review? Fasten your seatbelts. Clarify. If your assignment is not very specific, seek clarification from your instructor. How many sources should you include? What types of sources? Books, journal articles, websites? Should you summarize or critique your sources by discussing a common theme or issue? Should you evaluate your sources? Should you provide subheadings and other background information such as definitions or history? Find models. Look for other literature reviews in your area of interest or in the discipline. Read them to find the themes you might want to look for in your own research. To do this, you can simply put the word review in your search engine along with your other topic terms to find articles of this type on the internet or in an electronic database. Narrow your topic. There are thousands of articles and books on the most areas of study. The narrower your topic, the easier it will be to limit the number of sources you need to read in order to get a good survey of the material. Your instructor will probably not expect you to read everything on the topic, but you'll make your job easier if you first limit your scope. Don't forget to tap into your professor's knowledge in the field. Ask your professor questions such as, if you had to read only one book on topic X, your topic, what would it be? Such questions will help you to find and determine quickly the most seminal pieces in the field. Create a list of keywords. Search creatively. You need to identify all the relevant information sources. This may include libraries, indexes, and electronic databases, and the internet. Use research databases. Google Scholar, Scopus, Science Direct, and Web of Science are good databases to start with for any research topic and literature review. And by the way, you are welcome to watch another detailed video on our channel, How to do a Literature Search. Dear friends, we really appreciate our cooperation and your endless trust. Our company cannot remain aloof from the ongoing events in Ukraine. The flagrant invasion of Russian troops into the territory of peaceful Ukraine and the massacres of civilians, women, and children present a terrible crime against humanity. Under this video, you can find a link to help Ukraine. Let's support the victims. Let's do some good together.